What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to sign into Grok AI. So if you're trying to sign into Grok, for example with your Gmail, as you can see it's stuck showing continue with Google, then I'm going to show you how to fix that. Just go ahead and close the application. Right now from here all you have to do is just go into your settings and go down to apps. Once you're on apps, you want to go ahead and search for the Grok app. So once you type in Grok, when you find it, go ahead and open it and you will find force stop. Click on force stop, then click on OK. Then scroll down a bit and you'll find storage. Click on storage and you want to go ahead and clear the cache at the bottom and clear the cookie. So you will see clear data and clear cache. Go ahead and clear both of them, and then you want to go back to Grok. Open up the application. It's going to try to load. You will see that. Just simply swipe down. This time what you want to do, just simply click and continue with email, and from here you will find login with Google. Click on that and you want to go ahead and now choose your Google account. Now once you do that, click and continue and you will see that it's going to redirect you and sign you right into Grok. And that's pretty much it guys. As you can see, I am in Grok AI, and if I look to the upper right, you can see that I have my account signed in. As you can see, I'm right into Grok AI. And that's it guys. Very easy and very simple how you can easily fix the Grok login issue.